What's up guys, I'm watching another video. Starting today's video right off where we ended last video. If you guys have not watched last video, we raced Hugo's E92 M3 versus my 350Z. Go watch the video and go see who wins. Oh my god, 363. I love that car. I would get that car if I didn't have to have a car for content. What the heck, look at this. The Hellcat? It is a Hellcat. Oh no, it's not. Yeah, thank. Anyways, last video we raced these two cars. This video though, we're about to go on a little cruise. We got the homie Alejandro here. This car is so sick. Wide body 350Z. This shit's fire, bro. I like how everything's black, everything.
Steering wheel's fire.
So guess who else needs a Z? Hugo?
Who?
You! Because we all got Z's except for you.
That I actually drove it. It's actually fun to drive.
It's a fun little car.
I would not recommend. I would not mind having one, bro.
Wait till I want the diff though. It's gonna be way fun.
Yeah.
Wide body 350Z, guys. This shit is so wide. Like I can't even. Probably didn't even pick up on camera how wide this thing is. Like, it's so sick. Look at the fenders. Some work wheels on it. Big ass wheels in the front. Big ass wheels in the back. Look at this, bro. This is how big his lip is, bro. Bigger than my hand. And I think he's running a fat tire. What size is it? 335s, bro.
335?
Almost as big as my GTR. My GTR is 345. I've got him beat by a little bit, but still, look how wide this shit is. That shit is huge. But yeah, I want a wide body mine, guys. Should be sick. Imagine we wide body mine. Makes my shit look so stock and ugly. Oh! I feel like it makes my car look so skinny, bro.
It does.
It's a BBL and no BBL.
Yeah. Which one you guys choose?
Squats? No squats. Gym? No gym. Anyways, we're about to go on a little cruise, guys. This should be pretty lit. Let's get it. Damn. All over me, bro. That shit looks way better slam.
Bro, earlier I had issues with my system, bro. I didn't want to go back up. I was like, damn.
That shit fits perfect too. Look at that. It's just so hard.
That shit looks crazy, bro.
That's why I need my fitment, guys. My shit looks like a monster truck now for sure.
Bro, it looks crazy when it's on the floor.
I know.
Look at the rear, bro.
It's just nice, bro. I like it.
It's like, get!
Hook gap, bro. I hate that shit. I hate the fitment on the front bumper. Alright guys, so this would be like the first real test in this car. I mean, we raced in the last video with Hugo, but this would be like my first time going on a little cruise. We're going up in the canyon, so wish me luck. Hopefully I put my coilovers on right. Hopefully the wheel doesn't just fall off. You okay, Bobby?
Hey little daddy, can you give me my GoPro?
Where's it at?
Is it right there?
But yeah, let's go for a little point of view drive. I know you guys enjoy these videos and I enjoy them. I enjoy making them. Before we get too far into the video, make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. And also we did a whole new merch drop with the 350Z reveal with the new color. We got t-shirts and hoodies with the red 350Z on it. They came out fire. So go check out the merch. It's also the first link down below. Shop FindingNick.com. Well, the car sounds pretty good. It's not bad. I feel like there's still a small exhaust leak, but it doesn't sound too bad. So fun being in a stick shift car again, bro. I miss it. Sounds like a trumpet, huh? It doesn't sound too bad. I don't know how it sounds on camera, but in person it's not that bad. We're gonna have to weld the diff ASAP, guys, because I want to drift this car. And right now I've tried whipping it and it will not drift. Like I have to weld the diff, I think. If that happens, then I'm gonna be swinging every corner, bro. We're gonna make so much drifting content with this car. I can't wait, literally. I want to get like super good, bro, at like street drifting and stuff like that. But right now, since my E46 is down, this is the only like rear wheel drive stick shift car that I have. So we gotta weld the diff ASAP. If anyone knows who can weld my diff, let me know down below, please, or message me. I need to get the diff out the car, weld it, and put it back in the car because I don't know how to do any of that. But I've talked to some 350Z guys and they told me as soon as you weld the diff, this shit's like a drift machine, bro. Like it just wants to go sideways every corner. So it's gonna be sick. I can't wait. Hugo's car sounds crazy. Look at that shit. Imagine we had a V8 in this thing. That would be sick with a V8. Alright guys, wish me luck. We're gonna see if the car breaks down today. I haven't done any like big maintenance on this car since I bought it. All I've done is an oil change and just started driving it. So hopefully nothing too serious. We're gonna see how this car handles around corners and stuff. I wonder how the homie Alejandro's car handles, because it's like super wide, bro. Crazy wide body. Yeah, I think I gotta adjust the suspension though. I think it's rubbing on something. Me and you will always be doing this shit. Look how close to do this. I tried to just brake check this. Bro, why are you so close, Hugo? Woo! The car's like sick though behind us. Every month. Come on, Prius. We're right behind a Prius, bro. Mind all these lights. Every light is on, bro. My tire pressure light, the check engine light, ABS light, the door light, which I don't know why all the doors are closed, and then the airbag light. Every light is on, bro. She looks like a Christmas tree. Finally, this Prius is moving, bro. We can actually step on the car a little bit. Oh! Oh! Nah, this is fun, bro. Slapping it to second. You just jumped, bro. Look at the canyon, bro. That shit looks crazy. Should be in Twilight or something. Look at this, guys. We made it up like halfway. Damn, it's cold up here, but look at the view. This shit looks crazy, bro. The Z's looking pretty sick. It's running really good. I'm very surprised how good it's running. I'm actually super excited once again to drive this car. Super motivated again to start making content with this car. Now that I'm driving it, see how fun it is. So sick. This one looks so sick, bro. Look at the stance. Bro, it looks hard, bro. Hugo's E92. Everyone's taking their pictures real quick. All the content. Oh yeah, brother. No, you should not be driving it, bro. I think the fronts are exactly the same too. Fun fact though, these are my wheels off my E46 if you remember. And these are the same tires I've been running too to drift. These tires have been on like 2 track days. I even went to the Hoonigan pit, I think. And he's still street driving them. And we did a couple street drifts too. So those tires actually held up for a very long time. Isn't it crazy how long those tires have been lasting? Yes. But yeah, we out here. The car's looking clean. All the homies just chilling. It makes me want to wide body my Z. Look how wide, so you guys could get an idea. Look at that shit. She look like Kim K. That's just fire. But this iPhone quality is crazy.
I feel like people do not understand like the things that we go through. We're rolling with the windows down.
For the content?
For the content, bro.
But right now, the quality is so crazy on this phone. Can't wait to do this too in the Z, guys. We're for sure doing the headliner in my Z. My headliner is ugly. Look at this thing. All the Zs come with the beige interior. That's why. But it's like super ugly. So that's for sure going to be the next mod that we're probably going to do. Me, Hugo, and Dave are probably going to take this headliner out. It's already practically out. Look at this. We'll take out the headliner. And then I think we're going to wrap it in suede like we did with Hugo's. All black suede. And then we'll do the stars too. Alright guys, we're about to head back down. It's getting dark now. The sky looks cold now, bro. My window doesn't go up. I wonder if the heater works in this car. Let's see. See if the heater works. Air works in this car really good, so hopefully the heater does too. Oh, yup, the heater works, bro. Fire! We're making progress, look. We're driving it. We're making content finally. If you guys are enjoying the Z content, smash the like button for me. This heater feels bomb. Oh, how do I turn it off? Downshift go crazy. Flying, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. That's not too bad. A little bit sketchy on the tight turns, but it's not too bad. So fun, bro. It's not bad, bro. We're going like 80 around the corners. I legit got sideways, bro. I'm telling you guys, once we go out the diff and we get really good at drifting, I'm gonna come back up here and I'm gonna drift every corner, bro. Should be fire. I swear I'm gonna do that. The color looks crazy.
Are you not cold, brother?
I am pretty cold. That shit looks way better, bro. Look at that. Both the Z's are together. Look at wide body mine. My car actually is really cool. Anyways, I'm about to get food. This is my first meal of the day. And what time is it?
Yeah.
Like 7? I don't even know.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.